Alright, we are at French Fort Cove. Proceed with caution. Proceed with caution. Doo-doos on the ground. Dogs must be on leash at all times. Watch out for doo-doos.
Oh, good. They finally have a little place to put, oh no, little bags for the dogs.
Oh no, a woodpecker. That's a woodpecker hole. Pecking holes. Yes, all over the place.
He did.
Looking
He's
for
gonna fall because look.
woody woodpeckers looking for bugs. There's two big nests. See it?
Eagle? Oh, there's birds. No.
Two big nests up there. Find on our travels. Maybe we'll run into the headless nun. Oh,
Slippery section.
we got a new sign. Caution, slippery section. Proceed at your own risk. Let me put a dog poopy bag up on the tree there. No need of that. Haven't walked this trail for a long time.
No one will step in it.
Yeah.
No, we used to come here all the time when Alicia was little.
Yes, we used to come here a lot with Alicia. That's when life got busy. Or that's when life wasn't as busy.
Yeah.
Hey,
Before phones.
before phones. Well, they had phones back then, but
I want no.
not really smartphones.
I want no phone zones all over in every city.
Yeah, no phone zones.
You have to have a savings from the baby mother. Good tea.
Oh, there's this zip line platform over there. No one's dead. No one's dead. Who brought ones?
We're gonna have to start putting signs up. I notice there's a lot of holes in the bottoms of a lot of these baby trees. They're gonna fall. Seriously, like. Actually,
So, wife, tell me, walking through the trails at French Fort Cove, how do you feel?
at ease. I feel serenity.
Serenity.
Guys, come on out. You gotta do this. Wow. Who cares if there's snow on the ground?
Yes, get some good boots, warm jacket, big fluffy scarf,
That's right.
and don't forget your hat. Well,
I did.
I didn't forget my hat. She forgot hers.
It's okay.
I remember taking my old Ford towpaths down this road. Yes,
Yeah.
not allowed to do it now.
No. Covered bridge.
Look for it last. So we're going down. There's a covered bridge down here. We're gonna check it out. Stay with us.
No, it's not the longest one in New Brunswick.
It's not the longest covered bridge in New Brunswick.
Oh,
Probably the shortest.
the baby mitten.
They're mitten. All right. We're almost at the covered bridge.
my God, I'm taller than you.
How are you doing, girl? There's some rocks.
That's shale.
Shale rock.
Hang on, let me look.
Oh, we gotta look. It's all shale rock. Ready to collapse. There's a walking trail for the elite walkers. They walk up there. Not us.
They're the advanced.
The
walkers.
advanced, elite. Not a lot of people walk. We had two person we ran into. One at the beginning, and then just a little while ago. Oh, the wife's stopping. Must found something. Nothing. Just an old tree up the hill. So we're
on a business meeting.
So we're going downhill right now. Downhill. It's going to be a doozy walk and back up the hill.
Right up here on the sun, in the summertime when you come around it, a really hot day,
Yeah.
there's a cool breeze. You'll feel it. It just goes right up your spine.
Oh.
In this one little area, and it's right there.
Sounds like I should put my lawn johns on.
Well, I don't know if it's cold anyway.
I haven't worn lawn johns in a long time.
So there must be a spring nearby that brings the cool air with it or something.
Yeah, it's beautiful down here in the fall, and it's really nice down here in the summer as well.
But people think it's nun.
Yeah, people think it's the headless nun. That's another
When they
story.
come across that chill.
Here's the story of the headless nun. All right, so we're getting close to the covered bridge. Not the longest one in New Brunswick, but might be the shortest. So we're gonna get down to it. And what it would have been, what, 30 some years ago, we were down here, and we both of us carved our names on
This was
this covered
the first
bridge.
year we started dating.
First year, yeah.
1995.
Some sort of animal.
Yeah, there's an animal.
But there used to be a pathway.
Eggs or something.
There used to be a pathway down here. Ooh,
What are those?
they look like
Or maybe it's snow.
snow or
My
feathers.
eyes are bad and watery.
Yeah, there's some sort of animal trail that's going down here. See that? Animal trail. They got their feet dirty in the moss and the water, and then walked up the trail here and found their way across here
Maybe know what kind has
and then
that
down.
kind of
So I
path?
think they came over here to get a drink of water and walked across the pathway, because it's quite fresh, down through the woods. It could be a fox. So there's the famous covered bridge of French Fort Cove. All right, we're almost at the covered bridge. We made her. Woo, I almost took a tumble. Take the snow away.
Oh.
Ooh.
Here, maybe we should walk up there with nobody else.
Beautiful. Oh, look at the beaver dam on this side.
Crazy.
Maybe the beaver dam down here. Somebody's been busy.
Oh my gosh, wow.
Yeah.
They usually never get a chance to build it. It's Pat, we have watched this. Pat, what are you doing?
over French Fort Cove right here. What a beautiful spot. Beautiful. The beaver dam right there.
Another one.
Another beaver dam. Well, that might be the same beaver. Oh no, he built.
That's the dam.
You can see the dam right over there. So they built a dam here. They built a dam up there where I showed you earlier. This whole area is where, so the beaver is living, hibernating in that right now.
Maybe.
Maybe. So yes, what we found today on our excursions here with Pat, that's me and my beautiful wife Angie, what we found was serenity. Hey babe?
Serenity.
What we found was serenity, such a beautiful spot. So if you're ever in the Miramichi area and would like to have a nice little winter walk, you'd have to come down here to French Fort Cove. We haven't seen a beaver, but we've seen his home. But he is here somewhere. He is home. Look at that. What a beautiful spot. You can hear the water running. Beautiful spot here. Well, thanks for coming in here. Excursions with Pat. We'll see you next time. Have a great day.
Bye.